Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. In previous class, what we have discussed, children? We have discussed about a grammar topic, that is adverbs of place. We have gone through with the explanation part of that adverbs of place also. Isn't it, children? Today we are going with the remaining textual exercises on this grammar topic. Everyone open your companion page number 46D exercise. Let's see, children, what is there. Complete the sentences with somewhere, anywhere, here, everywhere or there appropriately. What we have to do, children? We have to complete these sentences with the following with the help of the adverbs of places. Right, let's write. There must be a restaurant dash in this area. What we will use? Yes, somewhere. Somewhere in this area. Next one. I looked for my bottle dash, but I could not find it dash. Now what is it? I looked for my bottle everywhere, but I could not find it anywhere. Next one. You can't go dash in this rain. You can't go everywhere. No, you can't go anywhere. నువ్వు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళలేవు ఈ రైన్లో. Like that. And next one. Come dash Satish. I want to talk to you. Come there or come here? Yes, come here Satish. Can you go dash to the bookshelf and bring me a book? Can you go there? Next one. The air we breathe is everywhere. The air we breathe is everywhere. Next one. We can go dash during the holidays. We can go where, children? We can go somewhere. We can go somewhere during the holidays. Next one. The temple is dash near the post office. The temple is somewhere near the post office. Okay, children? Complete it like this. And next one, come to page number 41. Now let's see. Strike out the adverbs that are used incorrectly in the following sentences. Rewrite the sentences using the correct adverb. One is done for you. Here they have written the sentences with wrong, incorrect adverbs. Now we have to strike out that incorrect one and we have to write the correct one, children. The police looked for the thief anywhere. Anywhere? No. Everywhere. The police looked for the thief everywhere. He will search for the thief everywhere. Isn't it? Anywhere means ekkada vetakaledu. Everywhere means anni chotla vetikaru. Okay. Now next one, children. Nancy could not be found somewhere. Nancy ekkado dikkunu dorkaledu. No. Nancy ekkada dorkaledu. That means we have to write anywhere. Okay, strike out this one and write like this. Nancy could not be found anywhere. Okay, children? Write like this. And remaining 3 sentences we are having, children. Do it as for homework. Okay, strike out the wrong adverbs, incorrect adverbs and write the suitable adverbs for those sentences. Okay, this is about today's English class. Thank you.